megide ha eluna megide onye si n'ọga ha dịrị anyị na mma. Heaven to be against them, earth to be against them, heaven and earth to be against them. Said it will not be well for me. Oh, megide ayaya, hey, eluna megide onye si n'ọga ha dịrị ha na mma. Ọnwụ ike zutenu ha amen. Obiam zutenu ha. Amadi ọha magbuo onye si n'ọga ha dịrị na mma. Ana megide onye si n'ọga ha dịrị anụ na mma. Onye ọbụla si ọga ha dịrị anụ na mma, ọ ga-ebu ọkụkọ ụzọ alakpu ha. Ekwuola ya ekwuo ka ya aka. Ekwuru ya n'akwụkwọ ndị ọpụpụ wee kwuo akwụkwọ ndị ọpụpụ mezi ụkwụ gị n'akwụkwọ ndị ọpụpụ nga ahụ mmehie ugbo ọ ga-ekwuru ya wee kwuo so na onye ọbụla hụrụ ihe ọma megide mmadụ ibe si na ọnwụ ihe ọjọọ ka ya mma, onye ahụ ihe ọjọọ ka emegide n'ụwa ya ụwa. Mgbe Chineke wụ Kraịst wụ nna anyị nọ n'elu obe esote ka esi kpogbu ya n'obe Kalvarị esote nnọọ. After the war megide ndị ahụ kpọgburu n'obe ndị Judas Iscariot. Yes,
he shot you.
Ya kulite sị ha nye ya akpịrị na-akpọ m nkụ. As they come bring drink wey don sour, they come comot am cover. As they comot the cover like this, na so in dey look them. They dey for up. When he don't drink the sour wine, after he mmanya the sour. Okay, when I'm not there low yellow. This one beside drink and swallow. He on they give him in drink and finish. Now so he do him. Yes again. Talent tankume. What? Yes. Yeah, continue lobe.
Continue.
Yeah, you continue no kolu. Mbotri ya nda hanyere mmanya. Ha gaga were gini werube. They use Chirot. Hammer.
They used to what?
Chirot. Hammer na ntu. Lekwe nga hammer ya. Ya mba nasi. Ube hammer ya n'akụkụ. Wetera anyị olileanya. Ube hammer ya n'akụkụ. Wetera anyị olileanya. Ube hammer ya n'akụkụ. Wetera anyị olileanya. Ube took him for lungs. He bring hope to us.
Continue.
When they say, I got manaya. Hey, I got manaya. Ihe anyị ga-eji mara ya wụ site n'apa ntụ dị n'ụkwụ na aka ya from the tribe of his hand. That is when you go know him.
From the what?
Tribe where they in hand, ya ga-eji kpopo ya aka, kpopo ya aka. They who do it, they are not going to go to the way. They say immediately they took him here. All that dirty water, dirty drink where they give him. Now so the drink go take pour out. This one why I drink now, you go pour out, but you not go come here because your mother nyama mube. Nga ko ge shabushi. And once he enter here, now so the person where anybody will enter in body go carry picking. Nyemu DADDY G.O, G for general.
Amen.
From the missionary ministry.
Amen.
The name of my church is great enough to hit that city.
Amen.
I wonder international ministry worldwide. Go to Kubwa, our branch is there. Go to Daddy Nkowa, our branch is there. Go to Sabongeri, our branch is there. Go to Alekwe. Even the bag and here we are number Moka. Woo! Naze Kokote, our branch is food there international.
Oh, Mumu no too much.
Oh, Asaba. I prove Nasaba. Nowhere where you go where you go see. So today I am coming to your family. Also because you have allowed the man of God, the prophet. Because you allowed the prophet to step his foot into your compound. So therefore, the fruitness of the prophet shall be visited unto your home. Funke, you will born pikin.
Amen.
Anybody will say you no go born pikin, that person they laugh.
Amen.
Now for here, you and your husband they look for pikin or one day. Not before this bed.
Yes,
When they do am for parlor, when they look for them for bathroom,
no.
When they look for them for kitchen.
No.
What of inside car park?
No way.
You see it. You see when I tell you, say people when they lead me, say make I they do what I they do. Their eye they open. Now you make they see everywhere for this house. They say no. Lead me into matrimony.
Jesus!
Nearly bed, the banana making Gahana na Choma. That's say you never born picking, no be say,
Jesus is Lord!
What? Ah! My eyes are open. They don't open my eye. Lie down.
What?
Lie down. If you know how they take lie down, if you and your husband they lie down for night, lie down like that, may they come visit you. They say they will visit you in any form. Oh, I now come at you. What I now come at you? Say, I will come like a thief. Whatever I hear you say, that I will do. Now you make I say, I should come. You know him good. He said, I should come. Is this not your matrimonial bed? Or what would you? Or what you? Now you make I say, no palo, get some palo, get some medal, in a room. Before we meet this woman here. I don't know say she been there here. But as I enter here, I come meet you. He stop me. He not stop me. That thing where you they look for DADDY G.O hand, you go see her. Because he don't tell us for his book, say, I will come like a criminal. I got my bed she now come at you. He also take for book of Zekabus. Yes! Book of Zekabus. Zekabus. Towards the Revelation. Towards the end of the Bible.
Revelation.
Beginning of the Bible, Genesis here, to the Revelation.
Will you keep quiet?
Sometimes say, I will come like a thief. And today he say, DADDY G.O, you go give children like a thief. Anyhow where you come, accept.
You be moving.
Open yourself for
You
them.
think say they wise?
For those who ain't knock for their door, they open. You go enter it with them. Lie down. If you know how you and your husband, they take a lie down. They look for picking. Lie down.
She what?
So real. Okay, Jim, we go. DADDY G.O, no say tialawo. We go no chase.
I'm lying down.
Oh, don't talk, make you no pursue them. DADDY G.O, no say tialawo. We go hey. Ono somo we go. Akwa no som gawano no say we go hey. Iso?
Allow me now. Is it DADDY G?
You say I can't do it into it. You want to teach them their work.
I'm not complaining.
Asumuri goro no kanu bonu mo. We go DADDY G.O
DADDY G.O, wait.
Chere, wait. Achu pula onye so biara n'ụlọ gị.
Hey!
Enu pula ya o.
Jehovah.
Ọ bịara gozi gị.